Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis, and if you found this video, probably you are trying to install Windows 11 on your computer and you get a message saying that Windows 11 cannot be installed on your computer. So the same happened to me. I'm about to show you. So I made the pen drive, the flash drive installation. I booted from the flash drive. I proceeded with installation, and after I selected the Windows 11 Pro, I get this information saying that it's not possible. Okay, so you must be aware of the Windows 11 requirements, and one is secure boot and another one is TPM, trusted platform module. So I went to my computer BIOS, so turn off, turn again, delete to access the motherboard BIOS. So this is a Gigabyte motherboard and this is the BIOS. So I was searching for secure boot and TPM, and I didn't see anything. The only thing I saw was this menu saying Windows 8 that enables CSM. I changed it and tried again to boot from the flash drive, and hopefully it would install, but I got the same error message and saying that Windows 11 could not install on my computer. And this is a Core i7 as well motherboard, so it should install, but I don't know why. So I made something different. I have another computer. This is a Lenovo MP93 and the same flash drive that I removed from my tower. I plugged it into Lenovo and installed without problems. So this was something that I'd done before with Windows 10. So when I had problems to install Windows 10 in one computer, I simply install in other and without internet, so it could not try to validate Windows and install it without internet being connected. So this is Windows 11 installing on my Lenovo, and hopefully I think I can swap drives. So I will take this SSD from this computer that had no issues to install Windows 11 and move it or plug it into my tower and be able to boot from it. Okay, so remember, please, if this solution works for you and if this video helped you, a big thumbs up would be really appreciated and good for the channel. Okay, so here we have it, Windows 11 installed on my Lenovo computer, and now I will turn off the machine and I will swap the solid state drive to my tower. The video is not cutted, and so you can see that will boot with no issues. Okay, F12, select Windows Boot Manager, and boom, here you have it, Windows 11 working really well. So the resolution is not yet 1080p, it needs a restart, and after that, here it is, fully working, activated. I will show you, activated. So if you have a valid Windows 10 installation, it will activate your Windows 11 with no issues. Hope you liked the video. Leave a thumbs up and thank you very much. Bye bye.